Okay, so this is a 2013 Ford, and it's a rear toe link, and it's two 18mm bolts holding it in. That's it. It's one right here, and it's one right here on the bottom. This right here is an 8mm that you can hold still while you turn the 18mm, or you can hold it with a like some lock and jaw pliers. But it's right here. You can see it right through there. So there's 18mm on the bottom, right there. Of course, you don't have to take the wheel off. Here's your adjustable link, and then the other 18 is like right here on the back side. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's in that hole. And then you may or may not have to adjust these links by turning them with like a crescent wrench, just to, and then you can like kind of move your steering knuckle back and forth to get this part down into the hole. But that's 2013 Ford Edge. Actually, there's a recall on this part. This part breaks on a lot of them, so you should be able to get it fixed at the dealership for free if it does break. So check your dealership to see if there's a recall on that part. It's a rear toe link, 2013 Ford Edge.